Welcome back everyone to another science lesson. We are continuing Unit 5, and in today's lesson we are going to be looking at different animals and ways that they move. Here in this picture we see some penguins. How do you see these penguins moving? If you said by using their two legs, you're correct. Yes, we see that these penguins are using both legs to run, hop, and walk to move from one place to another. It is storybook time. Go ahead and press pause here and click the link that you see. In today's story, you're going to be reading Move. And in this book, you're going to be seeing different animals and ways that they move. Our first slide here, we have running and walking. We know that dogs, cats, horses, and cows are able to use their four legs to move from one place to another. These animals are all able to run and walk. Can you think of another animal that is also able to run and walk using their four legs? Some animals that I could think of is pig, a sheep, a goat. All these three animals that I mentioned have four legs and they're able to run and walk. Here we have hopping or jumping. We know that frogs, rabbits, kangaroos, and grasshoppers can hop from one place to another. Some of these animals can jump really high up in the air. And some of these animals only use two legs to jump high. Here we see a kangaroo. And we see that the kangaroo is only using the back of his two legs to hop from one place to another. What is another animal that we haven't mentioned that is also able to hop or jump? Some spiders are also able to hop, and cougars are also able to jump to move from distance to distance. Here we have fly. Birds, eagles, bees, butterflies, and bats all use their wings to move from one place to another. Some of these animals also have legs. Birds, eagles have legs that they could also walk, but we know that their main function is to fly. Can you think of another animal that is also able to use its wings to fly? Well, we know that flies, mosquitoes are also able to fly using their wings. Our next picture here, we have swim. We know that fish, sea turtles, sharks, dolphins, and whales use their fins to move from one place to another. These animals are found in the ocean, so they're able to swim from across the sea. What other animal can you think of that is also able to swim? Different type of sea animals only swim, like crabs, seals, shrimp, and seahorse. All of these animals are able to swim from one side of the ocean to the other. And you have made it to the exit ticket portion of this lesson. For today's exit ticket, we will complete this anchor chart by sorting the animals into groups based on how they move. So let's go ahead and take a look at our first picture here. We have a cat. If you have a pet cat at home, how is your pet cat able to move? Are they able to walk, hop, fly, or swim? If you said by walking or running, you are correct. Yes, cats are able to walk. Let's take a look at our frog. Is a frog able to walk, hop, fly, or swim? If you said by jumping, you're correct. Yes, frogs are able to jump from one lily pad to the other. Our next animal here, we have a bird. Are they able to walk, hop, fly, or swim? If you said to fly, you're correct. Yes, birds use their wings to fly high in the sky. Our next picture here, we have a little baby chick. And the chick has a little feather, a little wing. Are these animals able to walk, hop, fly, or swim? If you said to fly, you're correct. These animals use their wings to fly. Our next picture here, we have a sea turtle. Do sea turtles walk, hop, fly, or swim in the ocean? If you said to swim, you're correct. Yes, sea turtles are able to swim. Our next picture, we have a whale. Do whales walk? Do they hop, fly, or swim? If you said swim, you're correct. Yes, whales swim in the ocean just like sea turtles do. Our next picture here, we have a kangaroo. Who remembers from the video how kangaroos move? Do they walk, hop, fly, or swim? If you said hop, you're correct. Yes. Remember, kangaroos only use 2 legs to hop high. And our last picture, we have a cow. Cows have 4 legs. So how are these animals able to move? Do they walk, hop, fly, or swim? If you said to walk, you're correct. Yes, these animals are able to walk using their 4 legs. And here is our completed anchor chart. Our awesome job, everyone. For today's exit ticket, you will submit a picture of your completed anchor chart. You could submit on Teams, text, Class Dojo, or email. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson, and we will see everyone next time. Bye!